Hey you guys, I cannot do any stories yet for my YouTube channel, but I wanted to make you a quick video to let you know that I am working on the new video this week for relaxation, for sleep aid, and for muscular tension relief to help you with your more effortless posture corrections. And I'm also sporting the posture brace that was recommended to me by one of my viewers here. Thank you so much for recommending that. I do have a posture brace review. If you haven't seen that one, you can check that one out. I will leave the link up here, but you can see here in my back mirror kind of what it looks like. You see how I'm wearing it? I'm not going to tell you what brand it is yet. And I'm wearing this for 30 days to try it out. There are times I'm actually sleeping with it on. So I'm really excited to let you guys know what I find, what I think about it, things that I might change about it, who I might think will benefit from something like this, and other recommendations that I will have for you. So stay tuned for that. If you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so that you can be notified when my next video posts. Have a posture perfect day. I will see you guys soon. All right, happy posturing.